Hi, and welcome to our video on contact templates. Contact templates are a way to save your staff manually typing out correspondence every time and reduce staff error by having all relevant information pre-fill. NewBook has numerous contact templates available to you that you can customize, or you can even create your own. Simply go to your search menu and search for contact template. If you're adjusting an existing template, you can select the edit pencil. Otherwise, select Add Contact Template. Select the contact template type, for instance, email, SMS, or e-signable document. Type the name of the contact template. If you would like the email subject to be different, you can add this in here. Select who this template will be available for, the default sending method. If this template is designed for staff use, you can select Internal Email. Favorite will add this into the print field for quick access. Generally, you will only need to enter in your text into the body content. Please note, if you are using a PDF send option, you will need to enter the main email information in the email content, with the PDF information within the body content. If an email requires to be sent via plain text, this can be done here, or if the same template can also be sent in as an SMS, you can add this text here. If there are any additional attachments to be sent with this email, you can upload these here. You can link any headers and footers, and if you need to update the size of the document, you can do this here. If you use any programs that offer source code, this can be copied and pasted by selecting the source code button. Something very important when creating your contact templates is your insert fields. These allow you to send a general email, with NewBook being able to automatically personalize the template. For instance, guest first name will pull your guest's first name into the email. You can also add in things like booking information and pay online links. As you type your template, you can use the toolbar to assist with the formatting and adding in pictures and links, and select the preview option to view an example of your template. Once you're happy with this, you can then click Save. These can then be sent manually or automatically. You can view our other videos on how to send these contact templates. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides.